Welcome, good morning, my sisters and brothers of the coin. It's 5:30 in the morning and Seismic Sales is awake because of daylight savings time. So we're going to open up another package from RJ Bullion. Welcome back, everybody. I got a pen. Check it out. RJ Bullion sent me a pen. Nice. Last episode, they sent me a shirt. Nice. I'm going to use this to mark off my invoice. For those of you who don't know, RJ Bullion is a company that has live auctions on eBay Live platform. I've been buying coins non-stop for the past couple of weeks with them because I'm very happy with their prices, their shipping, and their customer service. Okay, on with the unboxing. I had to make this video without talking because everybody was sleeping while I was making the video. So I will be narrating with my new microphone that I purchased the other day from Amazon. Oh wait, before we get to the unboxing, I want to show you this butterfly knife. The last episode I had a black one. It was easier to open and close. The hinges were very loose. This butterfly knife, the hinges are very tight, so I can't be messing around with it. Okay, first thing comes out is the Godfather coin. I'll make them an offer you can't refuse. I really like the Godfather. This is the 50th anniversary silver coin. Comment below if you want me to do a review on it. Next is, the two pouches. I wonder what kind of goodies we have inside. I think they're different sizes. Shake your bag, make sure everything's out of it. I'm going to look for the Godfather coin on my invoice and mark it off as received with my new RJ Bullion pen. I'm only doing this because I have so many coins in this package. I don't know, 10, 15, 11. I don't remember. I just kept buying for them and I couldn't stop. So I need to do this to keep track. First pouches comes out with a bunch of gold coins. Eagles, I don't know. 1/10 Eagles, I don't know. Those Australian Memorial American coins, I don't know. But two of them are capped. And the rest are in baggies. The two capped ones are 2013 Australian American Memorial coins, 1/10 ounces. And the rest are all 2023 1/10 ounce gold American Eagles. I got 7 of those and 2 of the Australians. Those 2 on the right that I just put down, those are the 1/4 ounce gold Eagles that RJ Bullion owed me from a prior order. eBay glitch and bugs are happening left and right. They were not able to add this to my cart. See below episode for the explanation. But I'm happy they came today. We're going to fast forward to this part. This is just me logging in the coins as I get them and marking them off my sheet. So I'll fast forward. Okay, I confirmed it. This order does not have any 1/4 ounce coins. So those gold coins were from my previous order that eBay messed up. Okay, first thing we're going to pull out from the second pouch is a 50-gram silver bar, 2023 Pamp Swiss Morgan. Sealed. Let's flip it to the back. It has 50 G's, fine silver, 999.0. with the serial number and a certificate number. Next is a 5-ounce Aztec calendar silver bar in plastic. This is my first Aztec bar ever. Take a look at it. Okay, next is a really cool item I like. It's the Coca-Cola 5-ounce silver struck bar. Look at that shininess. Look at that proof. It's hefty, its weight. Oh, I'd like to teach the world to sing in perfect harmony. Anyway, I love this bar. It is awesome. I think AppMex make it. And they have unlimited mintage, so there'll probably be a lot of them. So the next coin is going to be it's another Aztec calendar. Check it out. Look at it, looking to the left. Like, who's that? And last on the list is another 5-ounce Coca-Cola bar. Oh my goodness. Every time I pick it up, look at that. Can you see my face? 2 of them. 2 of them, yo. Nice. Why did I buy 2? Because in reality, 1 soda is not enough for me. These things have addictive stuff in them that makes me want to buy 2 or 3. That's why I don't drink them all the time. Please remember, if you're going to buy multiple items, as soon as your items arrive at your door, you should check them off against your invoice. And if you find any discrepancies, just notify the seller via the eBay app and let them know your problem and they'll take care of you. This has been another unboxing review of RJ Bullion's eBay Live auctions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, share, and like, and hit the notification button on top to help the channel grow. This is Seismic Sales signing off. I hope you enjoyed that extra hour of sleep today. Talk to you later.